Welcome students to class 3 maths chapter 5 division. Today we will do division as distribution and repeated subtraction. Okay, children, in class 2 we have already learned that division is an equal distribution of same quantity or things. We have also learned that division is a repeated subtraction of the same number. Let us revise these aspects through example. Divide 18 sweets equally among 6 children. We have to find out how many sweets does each child will get. Let's use repeated subtraction to find the number of sweets each child gets. On giving one sweet to each child, we have 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 sweets left. How? Because sweets were 18. We gave one sweet each to 6 children. So we have 12 sweets left. Right? When we will subtract 6 from 18, so answer has come 12. So we have 12 sweets left. Clear? Now we have 12 sweets. When we gave one more sweets to each child, that means we have 12 sweets. When we gave one more sweet to each child, so we have 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So we have 6 sweets left. Children, when we will subtract 6 from 12, so answer has come 6. So we have 6 sweets left. Clear? Now we have 6 sweets left. Now we have only 6 sweets left. If we again give one more sweets to each child, then we will be left with 0 sweets. How? Because we again give one more sweet to each child, then we will be left with 0 sweets. Children, when we will subtract 6 from 6, so answer has come 0. So we have 0 sweets left. So we have distributed 18 sweets equally among 6 children. Each child got 3 sweets. Okay? Or we can say, if we subtract 6 from 18 3 times, 1, 2, 3, we get 0. Right? Okay. Children, we write it as 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. We write it as like this and read as 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Clear? 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 is division fact. Listen carefully. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 is a division fact. This is division fact. And this is the symbol for division. Okay?